Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing today? How are we all doing? This is late hour broadcast, like I promised all that I would be here this night to complete the information and what I have to do. So before we kick off properly, let me make sure that everything is working properly. We are live. Yes, we are live. It's showing here. I think everything is okay. We are good to go. Let me just wait for some minutes before we start properly. Let me see who and who will join me in this late hour broadcast. As you join, please don't forget to click on the like button, like the stream. It's very, very important. Just click on the like button, please, because that is the only way you can support me. Apart from super chats, that's the only way you can support the platform. I hope you will try and do just that. It's very, very important. Very, very important. Okay.
We have the might and protection of God Almighty in heaven. And we know that God exists. And as long as He liveth, as my name is Nandi, my Redeemer liveth, as long as God lives in heaven, all of you can never triumph against us. Ujuku said it before, and he said he failed. We know why he failed, because God said the time wasn't right. I want to show them, my children, what is called Biafra, that very kingdom. They have to fight their way into it. If that is the option you leave for us, then by all means, we will oblige you. The Biafra must come.
We are still here.
But we have something that you do not have.
We are still here. Let's get everything properly. Let's get it done first. I'm trying my best to wait for some of us to be part of the program. It is always good to to give some time. Okay, now this is 3 minutes. Once we get to 4 minutes, then I can now proceed. Okay.
Now, the enemy went and brought their own breed. Their own breed. Their own breed. This guy has no village. He has no state. He don't know his father. He don't know his mother. Whether he has a relative, his village, his community, nobody can give an account who this guy is. Enemy installed him in an attempt to form a counter-parallel IPOB struggle. Do you know what this guy have done? He came because somehow he learned Igbo. And then I watch Igbo sometimes. Or Igbo. No Igbo son and daughter have ever stand up. Joe, this guy, where are you from? Which village? Who is your father? This guy penetrate and Igbo. Penetrate Igbo Biafra land. Control our people in Europe here. A few of them. They fall for him. Pure Nigerian agent, British supported him. In Finland sent journalists of investigators, forensic. They came and investigated this guy confirmed is a criminal. It was Nigerian state, Nigerian government that called Finnish government. Say, look, I couldn't know interest in you know here. I couldn't know idea. So leave that guy, no, our agent for now. Pen the good happen good in here. This guy, Ogra school no. Olendi which school mate here? Which school? Elebe school Ogra na Nigeria no. Elebe Ogra na Ebonyi. Which school Ogra? I can tell you where my own school, my secondary school, Ebemgra secondary school. I can tell you everything about it. My primary school, everything I can tell you. This guy, Ole Bogra school, where did he went to school? How enemy?
I have analyzed this
planted agent in the midst.
Where's the video?
For this Armageddon that is coming.
There's something that I skipped yesterday when I was making the analysis. You know, he said that Finnish government went to Nigeria to, verify whose PM is, and they find out that he's a criminal and he's this. Finnish journalists went to Nigeria through. They went to Biafra land to ask questions. Of course, they did, and due to DOS members in Finland, they got information as well. They project their own people to receive those Finnish people in Nigeria. They did, and they gave them false information and all that. Unknowing to them, they don't know that Finnish people have documentary about what happened in Biafra land, and they have all the information. So they were kind of digging more. At the end of it all, they find the truth. But these people first try their best to block the representative in Biafra land to fill them with fake information. But after everything, they find out the truth. So he's aware of what they did. That's why he's using it to insert example. But that's not why I'm here. I'm not. People like him are everywhere. So it's not only in Igbo land. We have this one also for Yoruba land. Listen. And let me bring it up.
They misbehave. You still asking for Sunday Bowo. You don't they misbehave. You still asking for Yoruba nation when na Konji with the name of your president Tinubu. Which Yoruba nation you they ask for again? Which Yoruba nation? Sunday Bowo, we all supported you that time. But right now, there, Melao, you must calm down. Tinubu is trying his best. And they still allow you, they ignore you, they allow you to come and bury your mom in peace. We don't need that in Yoruba land. Fulani, Hausa, Igbo, we are all one. Nobody.
This people.
Privilege you get when they never release an up till now. So now honor and privilege you get when you come Nigeria when nobody harass you. Now what you are asking for, Yoruba nation, is not possible except you want Igbo nation. Right now, Nigeria is moving forward and we are fixing all our problems. Let us fix them in peace. Fulani can live in anywhere they want. They are part of us. They are our brothers. So stop it and stop causing confusion. You see how me don't make statements. If I were you, I would get one-way ticket, sharp, and run to UK and go and take asylum. Because if they can catch you, go and ask Ezazaki. Eh?
Listen. Let's listen.
Sunday Bowo, you don't they misbehave. You still asking for Yoruba nation when na Konji, your president, Tinubu. Which Yoruba nation did they ask for again? Which Yoruba nation? Sunday Bowo, you don't they misbehave. You still asking for Yoruba nation when na Konji with the name of your president, Tinubu. Which Yoruba nation did they ask for again? Which Yoruba nation? Sunday Igboho, we all supported you that time. But right now, there, Melao, you must calm down. Tinubu is trying his best. And they still allow you, they ignore you, they allow you to come and bury your mom in peace. We don't need that in Yoruba land. Fulani, Hausa, Igbo, we are all one. Nobody will separate us. And you see your second, Kanu, in the prison. They never release an up till now. So now honor and privilege you get when you come Nigeria, when nobody harass you. Now, what you are asking for, Yoruba nation, is not possible, except you want one nation. Right now, Nigeria is moving forward and we are fixing all our problems. Let us fix them in peace. Fulani can live in anywhere they want. They are part of us, they are our brothers. So stop it and stop causing confusion. You see how me don't make statements. If I were you, I would get on with ticket sharp and run to UK and go and take asylum. Because if they catch you, go and ask Ezazaki. Eh?
Okay, so you have listened to this. Let me remove this so you'll be seeing his face while I'm talking.
Yes.
I think it's better. It's better like this. Okay, this guy, his brother was a governor of Ekiti State. Ayafayoshe, if I pronounce the name very well, if I'm correct. Just a few weeks ago, this same guy was he was on a video telling the federal government to confiscate every dollar account to make sure that to boost the economy. So this is kind of people that you have and you call them, fellow citizens. Look at him. Somebody who grew up, with money looted from government by his brother. You remember his brother that was crying that I can't breathe, I'm dying. People were using him to make comic content. This guy is his brother. I think he's younger brother. This guy you're seeing here. These are people who benefit from everything that Nigerian corruption have. He earned his living from that. Like I said, his brother was a governor of Ekiti State. And here, he's telling you that Fulani is our brother. Fulani can live anywhere they want. That Sunday Igboho is... He don't care about people that buy in Yoruba land. No. That does not matter. What matters is as long as he's getting something from government, he's okay with it. So the problem that we have in Igbo land is the same problem also facing Yoruba. What problem is that? Problem of personal interest. He said he was supporting Sodibo, but now, due to Tinubu is now president, that Sodibo is talking nonsense. That his brother. So what about those of us who's his brother, that we don't have our brother in presidency? Since when Tinubu was a president, you were supporting Sodibo to ask for Oduduwa Nation. And now that Tinubu is in, you have changed to one Nigeria. Tell me what is different between DOS and with this kind of person. That's why I said every ethnic group have their own, sabos. But the only difference is different reaction. The way I react when I see sabo from my region could be different from the way you react, when you see sabo, Oduduwa land. But whether you have it, yes, of course you do. Imagine this guy now, if you give him opportunity to become governor or a senator, he can buy the whole community to keep on, taking salary from the Senate post or any political post at all. Somebody who is not even holding any political post and he's ready to tell you to your face that I was supporting Igboho, but now that Igboho is my brother is now president. Yes, Oduduwa Nation should ask this person, what have you sent even ordinary condolence message to Yoruba people that buy in their farms? He don't care about it. All he cares is sorry about that. Okay, Dinah. Oh wow, you are still awake. You are still awake, Dinah. I don't know your time actually. I'm just using my time to say that. Anyway, here is one of the bastards eating the blood money they are making from themselves in Nigerian criminal government. God bless you, Dinah. You will live long, honestly. You will live long. You are very, very, very smart. People are everywhere. I'm telling you. So this kind of gangster here is what Sunday will face. Asks for his people to leave. Do you think that Sunday is asking those things to take care? One thing people need to understand that Sunday is not a farmer. That he's crying that they are buying in Yoruba land, just like they are buying in everywhere, in Benue, in East, everywhere. And this guy opened his mouth and said that the Fulani is our brother and they can live anywhere they want, seeking for political post. He's seeking for relevance. And of course, due to the corrupt nation, that just like Diana said, they will still, don't be surprised tomorrow night you see him on a suit, carrying a briefcase. That's people that are representing you. Look at him. Look at him. This is very, very sad. And people need to always rise up against this kind of people because they are the main problem before you even talk of those who have succeeded in political field. This one don't have anything here to just that his brother, his maybe maybe they're using him to open foreign account. You understand? Using his name, his identity, building document for him to open account where they will loot money and deposit it. That could be his job. But every now and then he's making video to talk nonsense. What is Sunday benefiting from asking for the foreign land to leave the land? The Oba of Europe, one of the king in Uruduwa land, died a few weeks ago, if not a month, if not months. I think that was 2 months, or I think a few weeks ago. Let me just put it there because it's not that far. This guy did not even make any post or video to condemn the people. It was. Do you know that President Samson Igboho helped the Amoteku also to do what they did few weeks ago to go after those people that are doing that nonsense in their land? And you are telling me look at it, this is just Jose Okano pattern. This guy, people they are our brother, they can live with us. Then he will go to government house, look for another place where he's well protected because they are not farmers. Tell this guy now that the Fulani cut off women and children in somewhere in the wild land, he will seal his mouth because he don't want them to remove his name in the list of possible appointee, because he always want to, they want to be relevant by any means necessary. Look at, this is what we are going through. Now he said Igbos, Yoruba, everywhere, Fulani, Igbo, everybody can live there with us. But Igbo shop that these politicians in Lagos State are destroying because of votes. Igbo people came out to vote for Peter Obi and all that. And the shop of those who even vote for Tinubu. Do you really think that the Igbo people did not vote for Tinubu in Lagos State? Of course, some of them will vote for some of them will vote for Tinubu. You understand? So don't think. But when they want to destroy your shop, they will target everybody. They have this guy condemn the shops and people's house they're destroying in Lagos State. The answer is no. And he's here telling you that Sunday Igboho should stop. So the only time he was supporting Sunday Igboho is when his brother is not president of the country. Then you ask yourself, what country are you building that when your brother becomes president, you want the country to move forward? Then when your brother is not, you want it to be destroyed. Just like the same thing with the Fulani are doing now. They want to destroy, they want to buy Tinubu simply because their brother is no more in power. So when your brother is in power, then one Nigeria, you be singing national anthem and hold your chest. You are very, very how do they even put it? Patriotic. You are very patriotic. In the citizen. You believe in the country so much. The flag means a lot to you. Once another tribe, another person that you called your brother in the same country become president, You can't stand it. You can't. Now, Fulani, for the first time, Northerners want to protest because Tinubu is not Fulani. That's all. All of them rise against him now, want to buy him, push him away. The target is to buy him so that the brother Shetima, even if Shetima turn Nigerian, if Shetima, God forbid, if Shetima, because that one is a well-known terrorist, if Shetima become president, believe you me, it will be more worse than what you are seeing here, what you are seeing now. Okay? So if he have, but if even if Shetima set the country ablaze, Northerners will not protest. Never. That is how they roll. It's only the Southerners you can see people with conscience that people can stand up and question their own brother. It's only the Southerners. The Northerners were not. Imagine what Tinubu did. He happened to be the Yoruba person who did that thing. Not Tinubu, Buhari. What Buhari did, and you do you think if Yoruba man happen to even do half of what Buhari did? Ah, my goodness. Appointing everybody Fulani in the government. Now, Tinubu appoint people that he ministers mixed, right? Little bit, not to compare what Buhari have. First time in Nigeria, nobody have made such appointments. If it were Yoruba man in power and that didn't happen, my goodness, Fulani politician will be on the street protesting. Igbo people dare not even dream of it. That one is worst. Only for you to even think, maybe to come out and maybe mistakenly say that you are appointing this. Just you have not done that. Just try to even think of it as a Igbo man. That day that you are leaving office. That day. So that is how it is. That is how it is. Let's listen to this Okoko again. Look at a flav in the land. Look at him. How dare you? Sunday Igboho is the man. You are just a criminal.
Sunday Igboho.
Look at.
You don't misbehave.
Now you misbehave with your go ahead.
When Nakonji with the name of your president Tinubu, which Yoruba nation you they ask for again? Which Yoruba nation? Sunday Igboho. We all supported you that time.
That is what many of them who signed petition against VM did also. People have not become president, but they have already questioned Biafrans. You are asking for Biafran. Why are you looking for Biafran when your brother is becoming president? Look at that is criminal-minded. People who see good in government when their brother is in power. That means you are a criminal. The only time you can see good thing is when your brother is in power. Look at him. Just listen.
But right now, Melao, you must calm down. Tinubu is trying his best, and they still allow you. They ignore you. They allow you to come and bury your mom in peace. We don't need that in Yoruba land. Fulani, Hausa, Igbo, we are all one. Nobody will separate us.
If we are one, our brother is buying their own mother. I mean, if I'm to go by your word, Fulani and you, Igbos, everybody is one, right? Fine. And you wake up and you hear breaking news that one of your brother Fulani buy a widow, go to the village and ransack people and send some in the IDP camp. Is that your brother? So is that the decision of your own brother? How to defend brother? Really, criminal. Thank you, Dana said. Last year, when Fulani's headers killed people in his village, wow, in his village, where was he then? You see, and tomorrow you be telling me that you are looking for they asked you to draw Lucifer. You want to draw Satan as a white man? No, he's black. Look at this person. What is the difference between this person and Satan? In his own village, Fulani buy people there. He's just a hungry person looking for money and recognition from the criminal in Nigerian politics. Mad people everywhere. Can you just imagine? Diana just made it clear to all that this guy, his own village, Fulani have already visited his own village. I was even talking about Duduwa land, maybe it could be another state or far from him. But we that are not from Yoruba land, we have the news. that they have already by people in. Even recently, a king, one of the king in somewhere in what is this name of this state? I always forget about the name that Fulani are dragging, which is Duduwaland also. And this guy have the courage to even question Igbo. Oh my God! That's why I said to fight for freedom for black people, you must be a saint to do that. You must be a different species. I'm sorry, I don't have that. I don't have that gift. I don't have it because how can I fight for freedom for this coconut head? This guy, this one. What does he know about the freedom? He don't. I wish Fulani people should start picking these people. I wish because they need to, test it first so that they can. They say sin is believing, right?
And you see your second Kanu in the prison. They never release her up till now. So now honor and privilege you get when you come Nigeria when nobody harass you.
You want to threaten Igbo with the Kano and Ezazaki. Ezazaki case is because Muslims have two denomination. One is Sunni Muslim and one is what is the name of the other one? And Ezazaki happened to practice the one of Iran, another version of Islam, and they are seeing him as a different Muslim. That's why when you see Sheti Muslim, when you see them protesting, Sunni and Sheti, right? When you see Sheti Muslim protesting in the north, that's the only time you see that army know how to put hand on the trigger on the protesters in the north. But apart from Sheti Muslims that they buy, each time they want to protest, no other protesters receive that kind of a treatment. Only in the south, especially in the east. So these people is what this guy with his okra eye, looking like a hungry toad. Look at him. You're talking about Igbo, threatening him that hey, the whole Kana. Look at this exactly. And so what? A freedom fighter is a freedom fighter, and Igbo is not fighting for your own freedom. He's fighting for the voiceless women and children that will be the victim of you. Where this guy lives as a former governor brother. Imagine where do you think he lives in that kind of a place that Fulani will just walk in easily? These are people who want to make sense.
Now, what you are asking for, Yoruba nation, is not possible, except you want Igbo nation. Right now,
he said the insult, except you want Igbo nation. So the Nigerian you are fighting now, is it what is your surname? Is it Fayoshe Nigeria? I don't know what is your surname. I'm just using your brother's name. Because is this a Fayoshe country? Or the
moving forward, and we are fixing all our problems.
Look at we are fixing all our like we are fixing all our problems. Which of the problems did you fix recently? Oh, hunger. Yeah. I remember. Okay, no, not exit. Okay, dollar economy, right? Hardship problem. Okay. You have solved insecurity. Yeah, we have solved that one already. It's non-hardship only. My goodness, these people.
Fix them in peace. Fulani can live in anywhere they want. They are part of us. They are our brother.
Why don't you bring some of them in your own house, in your own private house? Bring them. Let them come and run their cow. Because of course your house must be big. Your compound must be big. As a former governor of Nigeria that enjoying looting money, of course you must believe. I believe you have a very big compound where at not less than 50 cow can also move around. And you feed them with grass. Your brother. They're your brother. Wicked people.
So stop it and stop causing confusion. You see how me don't make statements. If I were you, I would get one-way ticket, sharp, and run to you.
Thank God Igbo is not you, coward man. Igbo is not you. He's not you. I thank God for, unlike the Easterners. So Yoruba politicians have done a good job in terms of Igbo bringing him, making sure that they release him and he has his freedom. He can talk. Unlike all those Lucifer we have down in the east that use Mazno Kano to do chingom. But time will tell. I'm with her. Let's move to another thing. I just want to, when you see this kind of people, when they talk, you think that somebody, human being, is there talking. No, look at him. Look at him. Let me let me go to the program of this evening properly. My Holy Ghost is saying,
The land of Biafra.
let me connect it.
I wish the good children of the rising sun happy Shabbat.
We have for something watching, but only 3 people managed to hit the like button. Please like the stream, please. It's very, very important. Okay, please like the stream as you are watching. Please, I expect you to hit the like button as well, please.
Today is the last day of the week according to the slave master. Today is Saturday, the Sabbath. Today is the last day, the last market day in Igbo market day, that's Biafra market day. Today is Nkwo. Today is Nkwo. Yes. The last day, the last day of the week, the last market day. Oh my goodness me. If you understand, you understand. But it's too early for them to retrieve. Somebody should tell them that it's too early for them to retrieve. Just few where die. Just less than 30 where just die. Now then retrieve like this. Eh? Just few where die. Now then they cry, they run. Did they know what it means to be the last day of the market day? Did they understand what Nkwo mean? They don't know what Nkwo mean. They do not know what Sabbath mean. They do not even know they have come and I have seen waiting they come for. If you want me to interpret that song where they sing for you, tell me, I will do so. Okay? But before I do so, you must share this message to reach every length and ask them question. Why are they?
Richard, how are you today? Thank you for your comments. You said, why can't this guy talk about the Fulani victims? No, Fulani, it doesn't matter. Those ones are meant to, they are crayfish in his eyes. So they are nothing. They are just there. Only few people die, so it's normal to him. It's very, very normal. Just like former governor of Ebonyi State, when Fulani Kpai people in his state, he couldn't do anything because he wanted to be president. Today, where is the president? You see, I wonder why these our people from the Christians, okay, let me use the word Christians. Christians in Nigeria are different species. We all look like mumu. You know, the few of us who understand few of us that understand what the handwriting of Fulani is and what they intend to do, they call us. The way they will look at you, you like you don't mean anything serious. That is how it is, and it is it led for us to do something different to make them to understand that we know what Fulani is out for. Like I said, please, if you are watching, we have the view is going down, up and down, 31, 29, just like that, sometimes 40 something, but yet we have only 3 people liking the stream. Other people have vowed not to. Maybe they are, I think I have many DOS in the house because they will not like to they will not like to like the stream. Anyway, let me continue. It's okay. It's not by force. If you don't want to like the video, it's okay. I understand.
Running. It's too early. They started this war just after 10. He no even reached beta 2 hours. He was till 11. He never even reached beta 2 hours. Then don't they run. Very few will fall. Eh? Sure, then they pack their dead body, they cry. And then don't they blame themselves. Say then say me they no come for them no come today. Now waiting then die today pass the one. Within few hours pass the one then die yesterday. Then I will see us who kill them. Now them kill themselves. Now them kill themselves. If they didn't come, therefore no die. But because they love money more than their life, they have taken the money from their master in order to come and kill us. And they have died instead of us dying. They have died in place of us. And I'm saying go they be. Remember I told you yesterday that I wish you come today. And you foolishly come today.
That what the commander is saying is called in Igbo language Ogalibumu Boya. Ogalibumu Boya. That is he who how would I translate it? He who want to kill me, kill himself. Those who come to kill me shall kill themselves. Ogalibumu Boya. That's Igbo language.
And you don't see them. But let me shock you again. I wish you come tomorrow. If you know where the sun is shine from, then you will know without the sun, nothing survives. If you know that we are the reason why you are alive, you will never think of killing us. Person wear wash clothes, refuse to expose that clothes to the sun and keep the clothes inside the room. It will take many days for that cloth to dry. And do you know what? Even when that cloth dry, you will be smelling. But the one who hated sun hated his life because every living thing survives through sun. Tree need photosynthesis to survive. Human being need the sun rays to survive. Human being. Animal needs sun to survive. Nothing can survive without sun. And we are the breath you are breathing. And when you say you don't want us to exist, you cannot exist either. Do you understand that? I am just telling you that you for not die. These 30 men where you lost today, you for not lost them all. I remain, you know, come to kill us. But you have lost them because you are evil. And whatever thing you sow, you must reap. Biafra no dey kill. We no dey kill. We are a very lovely, caring people. We love life. We only protect life. But you that comes to our land to kill us, wetin dey kill you? Kpai, you say there is no God. You say we do not have ancestors. You say you have killed our ancestors. And you say we do not have God. That our Chukwu no dey hear us. And that is why you want to come and take our land and kill us. But we tell you, unless our Chi no exists, unless we were created for your experiment, where you can come and kill as you wish and go scot-free before you gain over us. But if our Chi Chukwu Okike Abiama Ekekere Ụwa exists, if this our Chukwu is in existence, if our ancestors are still there watching over us, then we dare you. We dare you. You say, come with everything you have within your power. If you go back alive, if you go back alive, and then you know that our God is not exist. It doesn't exist. God, that thing where you carry come, na him go take your life. Are we not told you that? We know they kill you. Then kill a madu, tose na we kill a madu. Then kill a madu, tose na we kill a madu. Nigeria kill a madu, tose na we kill a madu. Biafra no de kill a madu. Biafra no de palu madu. We know the kill madu. We know the paru madu. We believe in nature. We believe in nature. Live and let live. That is our belief. But those who say we cannot live, they cannot live either. Yes, you don't know that. You come to kill us and you go die now. And that is why they ask pastor, you cannot give person wetin you no get. You dey talk of heaven, you don't go there before. You know road to heaven. You know road to heaven. You must preach what you know before you take person to a place. You must know that place. You have been in that place. You know the road.
Excellent, Wachugu. Wow, nice to see you this evening. How are you? Yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine. Good evening to you. Thank you for coming in. We are live this late hour. Nice to have you. Nice to have you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, the network is at it again. The network is at it again. I hope it will.
That is a topic for another day. So you who come to kill us, take us to the land of the ghost, you must first of all go there now first. You must know the road there. You must go there first. If you come back, if by any means you come back, you can come and tell us, say, I've went there, he's like this, let me take you there. If you agree, you take us there. If you don't agree, you still go back to where you from come. Very simple. All right? A very simple thing. You know, I'm not always happy when these people come, and if they just fall like this, little, then go begin they run. The ground of Biafra need to suck more blood. Need to suck more blood. But they do not allow it. Just 30 and you are running. Allow this thing to reach 50 now. Allow this thing to reach 50. At least you have bonus. Today is 2nd March 2024. Time now standing 29 minutes after 12 p.m. Well, I don't want to assume, because the way they take cry and run, I don't want to assume if they will come back this evening or afternoon. But all the same, let's wait for them. I want you to.
Diana, Commander Holy Ghost, God Almighty will continue to strengthen you all and protect every one of you. Give victory over enemies. Okay, give victory over enemies always. Give victory over enemies always. I am always happy hearing his voice. You are not alone. The same thing with me, and he's a very, very smart guy. Very, very smart. I like his program so much.
Praise Chukwu Kikabiama. Keep praising God. Keep praising God. Because He have done it again today. One person just asked me a question now. Let me respond to this idiot. He say his name na Azagaya. Is it Azama of Ghosts? You know, na fake person, no, na fake. But let me just read what he said. He said, why would I know they leave bush and go attack them? Why would I know they leave bush and go attack them? That is what he just asked. Why would I know they leave bush and go and attack them? If you now have army, go and attack them. I don't want to finish his message. Now let me ask this idiot. Why would I know? Why also ask Nigeria army? Why would I know they leave Amota and come with leg? Why, since when they collect with Amot leg, why when they die inside Amota? Anyway, now I don't know, say even inside the Amota you see they collect with. Now you know that even inside the Amota you see they collect with. So that one is not a question, my brother. You should be ashamed of yourself. If you are a Nigerian, you should be ashamed of yourself. A very people when even reach 1,000. A very one barrack when we reach 1,000. One barrack, one mini barrack of Biafra army. Now you pack 30 armor tank come, 2 fighter jets, and more than 2,000 personnel, and you could not do anything. Are you not ashamed? You know, you're not supposed to open your mouth. We don't break all the armor tank and finish. Now 4 now you carry come. You come with 30, you cannot do anything. Now 4, you think say you will fit do anything. Idiot. Yes, the reason why we cannot leave bush is to save the life of our citizen. That is why we cannot leave bush. That is why we draw you toward bush, where people are not living, so that you will not kill the innocent people, because we know what you can do. Yes, we know what you can do. Do you understand? We know what you can do. If we daytime, if we come confront you along the road, you go shoot anything shootable. You go shoot anything shootable. You understand that? Anything shootable, now you go shoot. And we know what you can do.
By so doing, those innocent ones will passerby will also go for that. I think what Commander said here is actually true, because imagine what they do when people protest. So talk more of when somebody challenges them with the same rifle they have, they will shoot anything that does not wear uniform around. Anything at all. What do you expect when Boko Haram is wearing khaki? What do you expect?
So we didn't want any casualty to our citizens that we are protecting. Even when you dey die like this, if you dey go, wetin you dey do? No be anything you dey shoot.
Yeah.
No be everything you see on the road you dey shoot to revenge your death. Come bush, we dey bush. Na bush we dey. You know where we dey. As you dey come on the road wey lead to the bush, you no dey see us. We no dey fight you. You no dey die. Simple thing. Road na road. Inside is no building, but we want to keep our citizens safe. That is why we take the battle out of the dwelling place of our citizen and bring you to where we go be between you and us. You see us, we see you. We fight that fight where they hungry you. That is what we have been doing.
Ike Jules, Commander Holy Ghost is a true freedom fighter. Yes, he is. Thank you for
so why are you asking? You know where we dey now. Your duty is to come. Nobody you come here to say you won't come pursue us, come up for bush. You don't pursue us. Now let me tell you, let me shock you. When time reach for us to leave the bush, we will announce any area we want to come. We will announce our citizens to evacuate from that area, at least for one day. If you will last war there, if we want to declare war there for one day, we will ask them, please just find somewhere, relocate for one day, that we are coming. And we also invite you to come that area. Or maybe definitely it's going to be the area that you are, so that we should come. We are coming there to meet you. All right, that is it. That is a fact. Yes. That is a fact. So therefore, permit me to tell you that this war, you cannot do any pinging. You are dying and you remain dying until Biafra is restored. Do you understand that? You will not understand. You will not understand. Because dead man does not understand anything. Biafra is here to stay. Biafra must remain. And Biafra can never go away. And then you understand that we are the children of the Most High God. And in this land that God gave to our ancestors, that hand over to our father, that hand over to us. Believe you me, we must hand this land to our children without your presence as a zoological republic of terrorist nation, without the presence of Britain to do just that. And do you know, in this land of our ancestors, we go nowhere. So if you think you can stop us, or you can stop the restorations of Biafra, move forward and see if you get your life back. That is a promise, not a threat. Yes, it's a promise, not a threat. Because that thing where you carry come to the land of Biafra, now that thing where you go see. You will use your two naked eye and see it, and you will believe that indeed Chukwu Gika Abiyama is at work. He know they sleep. He's a God of vengeance, and whatever thing you sow, you must reap. Yes, that is my message for you. If you don't believe it, put your effort. I say, come Ada, come Ada, come Ada. Gather everything, starve your nation, and bring all the money, buy all the ammunition you can. Bring it here. Now here, go kill you. And at the end, I will sit here to tell you, we go nowhere. We are still here.
Okay guys, that is the end of the video. That is the end of the video. Thank you so much. I really appreciate.
I stand in my office as a prophet. Dollar to naira. Right now, $1 is how much? 1,009 or 1,008.
Do you know why I played? Do you know why I bring that video for you? Because there's something, you know, in Nigeria you have different types of people. Okay, some of you have not, I believe some of you have listened to that man shouting. Kumi have message for people like those guys that always talk about money. Kumi says something that is for the founder of a Deeper Life. He says something that is very, very interesting. This is what Kumi says. Hardship, Sean Church, use your offering to feed poor, unemployed, to feed poor, unemployed. Kumi tells Christians. The General Superintendent of the Deeper Life Bible Church, Dr. William Foloso Kumuyi, has advised Christians against giving their offering to the church, but rather give it to poor and unemployed in their communities. Kumi, who made the statement in a viral video, was heard telling his church congregation that Christians should not spend all their money on building churches, but also help their poor neighbors who cannot afford basic life needs. You understand it? That is what he says. And people, if not that Kubu said this, you see some men of God with, so those of them with, they will say, you shouldn't say that tithe and offering is a compulsory, is a must. You must give it. And some of them will be holding toothpick in their mouth, asking for your first fruit. A lot is going on. In church, in Christendom. Well, PM said, when you have journalists who are on drugs, activists and human rights organizations in Nigeria have heightened calls, for the arrest of Finnish-based Biafran agitator Simon Ekpa following his allegation against Governor Hope Uzodinma of Imo State. Simon Ekpa hefty allegation against Governor Hope Uzodinma triggered call from his arrest. Okay, His arrest on what? Both of them you have not even finished the one he did on Mazda Morgan, and he's now calling for arrest again for a PM. Arrowman. Anyway, we'll see where this one will land. Let me see the people who has this news. Okay, Phoenix. Is this a platform or just online news or what? I don't understand. This is not the first time they're asking for his arrest. So why are they talking about trigger his arrest? Did they stop from asking for his arrest before? They always ask for that. They always ask for that.
For him to be eaten for now.
God bless you.
For now.
Thank you.
For now.
Thank you. God
For now. Put it in my hand. See, money don't they come out for this man. He has to eat. He has to eat. For him to be eaten.
God bless you.
For now. For now. For now. Put it in my hand. See, money don't they come out for this man. He has to eat. He has to eat. He has to eat. He has to eat. This is almost 10,000 here. He has to eat. Money to eat has come. This man will eat food. He will drink water. He will drink mineral. And see another 2,000. See another 1,000. He must eat food. Because I am seeing this man dying of hunger. Dying of hunger. Dying of hunger. Put it here. Put it here. They'll give it to you. They'll give it to him. They'll give it to him. Put it, we'll give it to him. Put it, we'll give it to him. Give him account number. Let him put the money. Give him dollars my time. He will eat food. He will eat food. He will eat food. After this one, if I don't see him in the house of God, he's the one killing himself. He's the one killing himself. He's the one killing himself. I will not do more than a prophet. Amen. It's okay. 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 I cannot prophesy prophecy that does not work. Hey, hold on. Hold on. Yesterday, how much money do you have yesterday? How much was in your pocket yesterday?
Not up to 500 now.
Not up to 500. This man, who invited this man? This man want to kill him. If you come, your friend, Abi, is he your friend? Come, please. Because whatever I see in the spirit realm, I will bring it in the physical realm. Because the spiritual control the physical. Do you know this man? Yes.
Okay, I would like to go and watch this program. Your PM said something about it, so that's why I pick interest on it. He said, major prophet perform instant practical hunger healing. Go follow him. He has been very consistent with his prophecies. Any day he see anything different he say any day he see something different from what he has seen so far, we will question him. Okay, because God can never change. He is and he is and amen. He don't change. Yes, that's our God. Guys, we are going to close now because this is late hour. Thank you so much for keeping up, because I told you that I would be live and most of you, managed to join me. I really appreciate your time. It is very, very important. Thank you so much. I have to thank you for that. You don't take it for granted. You managed to be here with me this late hour. God bless you. God bless you all and have a wonderful night rest. Thank you. See you again tomorrow. We are going to continue tomorrow. Have a wonderful night. Bye bye, guys. Thank you. Good night all.